Have you ever sat there and thought, Renault 5 is a damn cool car, but you also want to be a free spirit and be able to go camping whenever you choose? Well, buckle up, because our new summer project might just be a bit of you. Roll the intro. Welcome back, guys. I have no way to start this without literally just showing you this. This is a 1990 Renault Extra Stimson Trial Finder Sahara camper van car. It's just amazing. Now, I had no idea how to start this video. I've been sitting on this for, well, since December. Just waiting to show you all, because I know some of you are as stupid as I am, but we'll start this with a little bit of backstory. So, a little bit of backstory, and there's probably an echo, so sorry, but a little bit of backstory. I was busy printing some merch one night, needed a break for 5 minutes, so I just thought I'll just have a little browse on Marketplace, as you do. Now, I came across this thing, which I still to this day think is the most ridiculous car I've ever seen. I came across it on there, and then for the next probably 2 or 3 weeks, I looked at the advert every day. I've got a weird thing, which I'm guessing some of you probably have too, is where you can see a picture of a car on Marketplace, and then I can imagine it driving along the road, lowered on some wheels, and think, yeah, that's a bit of me. So, I kept checking this every single day, and then one day, it sold. Now, I thought to myself, who on earth would be stupid enough to buy that? It had to be someone strange. So, fast forward about 2 months from then, Christmas Day. Freya says, shall we take the dog for a walk? So up the road we go, round the corner. Here it is. Now Freya just happened to be that person who was stupid enough to buy it. She's as stupid as me, maybe stupider. So then fast forward to now, we own the world's strangest camper. Now I think it is even actually classed as a motorhome on the logbook, even though it is from here forwards a Renault 5 or a Renault Extra. So they originally used to be a van, and then they make this whole fiberglass back on them. It's just the strangest thing ever. It's 8 foot tall at the back, to give context. Actually, let me stand next to it. So as you can see, it's massively tall. It's ridiculously tall. I cannot explain how tall it is. Ridiculous. But basically, Renault 5, Renault Extra front end. So you can fit, I believe that's actually a Renault 5 bonnet on this one, but you can fit obviously Renault 5 parts to the front. Then normal cab with the back cut out. And then this part along here and down is Renault Extra van. They then add this monstrosity on the top. Now there is something special about this van. It's actually been in the Sahara Desert. So Matt Armstrong, eat your heart out, you're not the only one. I'll actually insert the clip here because I found a really old YouTube video of it. So I will insert those clips in here. And as you can see, it's been to the Sahara and the Alps. So from the back, you have got big old doors. This side is a sink. Obviously shelf. Now these both open up for your plates and cups and things. This side there is a twin hob with grill. Now under here there used to be a removable toilet, and this side was a fridge. Now this hole here is actually a plug hole because There's a little curtain clips into those little tabs up there, and there's a shower in the back, so you can have a poo whilst cooking your eggs and showering. What more could you want? In the centre, we've got a little fold-down table. These then, if you take these cushions out at the top, that obviously all transforms into a bed. Now, this is a weird video because this is the most excited I've been about a car since ever. So I'm just showing you what it is. Renault 5 Dash, I believe. Coolest seats ever. Now, I'm no Renault expert. I have to say I know nothing about Renault, but I do know they rust. And this one hasn't escaped that at all. Torsion bar rear, coils on the front, so we can lower it. Obviously we will. All in all, it's just a weird thing. Like, I can't explain how strange it is. I just keep showing you because it's just the most bizarre thing ever. But we have got to sort all these rusty areas, all of this, the porridge that's holding the window in. Now, these are universal boat seals, Chris has informed me, so we can get new seals. It's basically going to be tidy the whole thing up, paint it, probably with graffiti paint, because this is just a quick, easy build. So we'll graffiti paint it, wheels will go on, and obviously lowered. And then I think we're just going to use it. Like I say, it's been to the Sahara before. Maybe we'll go again. And the engine that will get us to the Sahara, a little 1600 diesel. Now, it needs decobwebbing. This has been off the road for a few years now. But it's only done 62,000 miles, I think. It's got a nice speed pipe. That's the leisure battery and normal battery, so I need to upgrade that. I've got a bigger leisure battery, I don't know if it'll fit in the hole though. So this seems to work pretty well. I drove this from my house to the workshop the other day. Not illegally, I am getting an MOT here, so I drove it here and it actually drives pretty mint, considering that's probably been off the road. It looks like the brakes are all new. But to be fair, it looks like someone spent some money on it. Someone's looked after it at some point in their life. So engine I'll leave. I'm not going to get over the top with this like I normally do. Interior, I mean the speakers have seen better days. But all in all, it's actually alright in here. Mysterious switch, which I'm excited to learn what that does. Little head unit. Now, I am going to actually put new speakers in this, new head unit, little under-seat subs, just to make it nice in case we do some big miles in it. There's lots of different ideas floating around, but the main plan, well, let me show you the plan. The plans. Now you can probably guess what they are, but let me show you anyway. Now we can all agree this car is absolutely ridiculous. So what more could we do to make it look better? Well, obviously, tiny wheels. Because tiny wheels seem to work on things that are quite big, but also quite small. So plans are, obviously, fit the wheels. And, oh, hang on, I forgot. We don't have Chris here, so I can't do wheels with Chris, but let me pass you over to Jack, but not this Jack. We're going to pass you over to Wheels with Jack.
Wheels!
Jolly good.
Please! Wheels!
Edit that out.
Nah, man.
I'm Jack, and I run Jolly Good UK. And what I do is find sick wheels, and other parts actually, I do find other parts, but mainly sick wheels. So if you want some sick wheels like the other Jack, who runs this channel, I shouldn't even be here, get in touch. I'll make him put my Instagram below. Cheers, Jolly Good.
So thanks to other Jack, I've got these lovely little SSR Mark IIs. Now, they are in need of a refurb, but the fronts are 13 by 6. Now the rears are also 13 by 6, but since Jack's been here, we've actually worked out we can fit 7s on the rear, so he's going to source me some 7s. So these wheels will be going on, but with a little refurb. Now, the front is basically, oh God, it is 2 bottom, single at the top. So I'm going to use, I think Mark 1 Golf coilovers we'll make to drop the front. Now the rear is on torsion, so we can just pull it out, twist it and lower it that way. Now I might, depending on how well that's going to work, it may be a case of maybe narrowing an MX-5 subframe with no diff in it to gain a little bit of camber on the rear as well and run coilovers, but that's to be decided. But for now, I just thought I'd give you this. Oh, I've taken the wheel away. I ruined it. I thought I'd give you this view of how it's going to look. And I'm so excited. I haven't stopped laughing all day. It's honestly just the most ridiculous thing ever. But that is the plan for that. Now, I'm going to do this in either 3 videos, this being one of them, or 4 videos. So we're going to have this video, which is done. There's then going to be either, it's kind of up to you, so let me know in the comments, either 2 videos on modifying it. I might do an exterior and an interior, or I might just do it all in one longer video, and then the 3rd video, or 4th, I think we need to go camping in this and see just how good or bad it is. Now where we go camping, I'm not sure. Maybe we go pretty wild with this and go somewhere quite far away. But then again, maybe we don't. But for this one, that is where I'm going to leave it. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this. I've been keeping this a secret for no real reason other than I just did since December. So it's actually nice to be able to show people the latest stupid thing. It's just a quick build, just a quick one to go and enjoy for summer. We've still got to get on with all the other ones, but until then, thanks for watching. Please subscribe so we can do more of this stupid shit, and have a lovely Sunday.
Oh, there's a bit of a ding on that one. I'm going to have to thwack it out.